Let us introduce the results of our research, topic modeling of Russian language texts using the part of speech composition of topics on the example of volunteer movement semantics in social media. The idea of our research is that we do not consider parts of the speech as a gnoseological concept that reflects the way in which language is formally classified, but we believe that parts of speech are within the language competence of the person and are used in the process of communication and performing a certain function in the communication process. The essence of the semantic modeling is seen as the creation of semantic models of the text corpus as usual. Social media of FRUCT29 was chosen and we listed it on this slide. Dataset was collected in May of 2020. It was the date of celebration of the 75th anniversary of victory and the Great Patriotic War. A very important data for our country, and contain messages published between most 10 years. Our work is devoted to the actively developing direction of probabilistic topic modeling that is quite popular in recent years, and topic modeling method is chosen as a main analysis method for us as a way of constructing a model of a message collection that allows you to find hidden topics in the discussion. We believe that society becoming more transparent opens to the public a large body of various information about its subjects, processes, and events. The cross-disciplinary research is really important for this era of digital society. So we try to analyze hardly understandable for formal modeling part of reality text in natural language that reflects the volunteers movement main events and main values. Here and further we demonstrate our way to formalize this task, and mostly, of course, we used some specific method. First of all, we built a special vector data model, and it presented in this slide step by step. Actually, we write about it widely in our paper. In this slide, we demonstrated usual way how the very useful method of latent Dirichlet allocation realized mostly in every situation of analysis of topics in natural language messages. And on this slide, we demonstrated special marks, special, I would say, parameters that helped us to verify the results of our research investigations. On this slide, we demonstrated one of our main ideas, that part of speech composition of topics is really often confusion of the composition of the themes. And to solve the problem, we are interested in the parts of speech that denote, firstly, actions, secondly, identity, and thirdly, emotionality. And in our paper, we more widely explain this idea. It based on the some ideas of social psychology, and especially of the idea of social group and group dynamics. On this slide, we listed the mostly important results and outputs of our work. Finally, we think about the problem: is it possible and really necessary to strive to make more effective and universal methodology and thematic models? And because it's hardly able to get such perfect result. But anyway, our answer is yes, because it's very important to modify, to make more perfect methods and methodics and toolkit that we use to understand the reality around us, the reality that our society lives in the modern time. So, what was the short demonstration of our work? Thank you for your attention. We are ready to answer your questions. Thank you very much.